Next in the HR package, recruitment. HR posts a vacancy, builds a pipeline of applicants, moves them through the stages, and hires the best ones straight into the staff records. We are signed in as Funk Adeyemi, the HR officer. First we post a new vacancy, a field officer role, and fill in every detail. The vacancy is posted and open. Now we build the applicant pipeline. We add our first applicant, Chidi Okeke, with their contact details, source, a rating, their CV, and a note. And a second applicant, Amora Nosu, filled in the same way, CV attached. Both applicants are now in the pipeline for the field officer role, each with a CV and a rating, ready for screening. In part 2 we move an applicant through the stages, review their CV, and hire them.